Question number 10, at the point 4, negative 1 on the curve, the gradient of the curve is this, and given that this is, now what is this? This is gradient, right? dy over dx is gradient, where k is constant, show that k is negative 2. So, this is the gradient. So, that means dy dx is equal to 3 by 2. So, this is the value of the gradient. So, we are writing here x negative 1 over 2 plus k, this is equal to minus 3 over 2, right. So, from here we will write k is equal to negative 3 over 2 minus x power 1 over 2. So, this can be written as 3 over 2 minus, if I write here 1 over sorry, because this is negative here. So, I can put it down here, that means the square root. Okay. So, now at point, we are given point 4 and negative 1. So, x is 4 here. So, we will substitute x here to get the value of k. So, negative 3 over 2 minus 1 over square root 4. So, this is negative 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2. So, 3 and 1, this is negative 4 over 2, that is 2, negative 2, right. So, k is negative 2. Now, part B, find the equation of the curve. So, for the curve we will need require the gradient. As we are given this, the gradient is given to us as dy over dx is equal to x power minus half plus k. K, now we can substitute the value of k, which is negative 2, right. So, now if we integrate this one, then we will get y, right. So, integrate both sides. So, when you take integration on both sides, so dy over dx will be integration of x minus 2 dx, right. So, then this will become y, right, and this is going to become x minus half plus half over minus half plus half minus 2x plus c, right. So, now this is x power half, that is square root x. Okay, let me put square root x over, this is 1 over 2 minus 2x plus c. Okay. So, this can be written as, this is now y is equal to 2, this is going to go up here, square root x minus 2x plus c. Okay. Now, the point is given at point 4 and negative 1. So, y is negative 1, 2 square root of x value is 4, 2 times 4 plus c. So, minus 1 equals to 2 times 2 minus 8 plus c. So, minus 1, this is 4 minus 8 plus c. So, negative 1 equals to minus 4 plus c. So, from here then we will have c equals to negative 1 plus 4, that is c is 3, right. C is 3. Now, what will be the equation of the curve then? Equation of the curve we are going to take from this equation, right. So, from equation 1, equation of curve y is equal to 2 square root x minus 2x plus c, c is 3. So, this is our final answer, right. Now, let us see next part, find the coordinates of the stationary point. Now, whenever it is a stationary point, so that means gradient at that point is 0. So, that means dy dx is 0. This is the clue from here. So, dy over dx, we have dy over dx, it is given to us, that is x minus 1 over 2 minus 2, and this is equal to 0. So, from here this leads to, this is 2, so this is negative 2, sorry, 1 over x square root is equal to 2 over 1. Now, cross multiply, 2 square root x is equal to 1 square root x is equal to 1 over 2, and squaring both sides will give us x equals to 1 over 4, right. So, this is x equals to 1 over 4, but we are looking for the coordinates, right. So, this is the value of x, then we can find out the value of y. So, our y equation is, let me check, y is this one, 2 from here, from equation number 2, y is equal to 2 square root x minus 2x plus 3, right. So, we will substitute the value of square root. Y is equal to 2, then square root of 1 over 4 minus 2 times square root of 1 over 4, sorry, not square root here, so we have 2 times 1 over 4 plus 3. So, this is 2 times 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 plus 3, because this cancels with this. So, we have here 1 minus 1 over 2 plus 3. So, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 minus half, that is 3.5 or 3.5, because this is in decimal. So, we can write it down as 3.5, right. So, the coordinates are 1 over 4 and 3.5, right. Now, next part D, determine the nature of stationary point. Now, we are looking for the nature of the stationary point. So, let us see, whenever it is the nature of finding the nature, we need to find out the second derivative. We have derivative dy dx, the first derivative is this one, as we have used it previously. Now, again differentiate, then this is d square y over dx square. So, this will be x power minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over minus 1 over 2 minus 1 minus 0, right. A derivative of this is 0. So, this is going to be x raised to power negative 3 over 2 over are we adding here, this is also negative 3 over 2 minus 0, right, 0 we can leave it. So, this is actually negative 2 over 3 x power negative 3 over 2. So, now we are looking this at point at x equals to 1 over 4. For x equals to 1 over 4, so second derivative d square y over dx square is going to be like negative 2 over 3, x is 1 over 4 power negative 3 over 2. So, now you see the whole thing, this is negative, this is less than 0, we do not need actually the value, we have the power here. So, which is negative, so that means it has a maximum point. So, this the nature, it is a maximum point, right, maximum. Okay. So, that was question number 10. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. Be blessed. Kindly subscribe and share.